Hey Tarleton Texans! Welcome to Integrity Hall. Integrity Hall offers students either a 2 or 4 bedroom suite. Each suite has a spacious common area with a microwave and refrigerator for each student's convenience. Occupants in the 4 bedroom suite can expect to find a couch to help maximize that roommate bonding experience. Each floor offers community kitchens available for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for its residents, as well as a courtyard grill with a first-come, first-served policy. Integrity Hall is a 4-floor co-ed infrastructure open to residents of all classifications. Much like Heritage Hall, Integrity offers in-hall mailboxes for each of its residents, as well as a central lobby area with a pool table and other gaming systems, with access to a free laundry facility and private bathrooms in each suite. Integrity truly is your home away from home. Integrity Hall offers 2 floor plans for prospective residents. Today we'll be looking at the 4-bedroom suite. Each suite has single rooms to give students a sense of independence and privacy. Each room comes with a full-size mattress and adjustable bed frame, perfect for storage purposes. We can't forget all of the closet space you'll have access to as well. You can decorate your room as long as you don't bring any of our forbidden items to keep both you and your roommates safe. The private bathroom features a double vanity with 3 drawers of a shared space. The shower and toilet can be found just behind this door, giving both residents the highest level of privacy available. That's all for this rendition of Texan Cribs Integrity Hall. Make sure you follow at Tarleton Bound and at Tarleton Res Life for more housing information and updates. See you soon!